Introducing the RAK Tonique back-to-wall toilet, the ideal combination of style and functionality for your modern bathroom. This stunning toilet pan is a game-changer, boasting a sleek, rounded design that will make a statement in any contemporary space. Finished in a pristine gloss white, this toilet is unmistakably beautiful. The easy-cleaning glazed ceramic surface means you will spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your sparkling bathroom. Whether you prefer placing it against the wall or incorporating it into a WC unit, this toilet adapts to your needs, while its flush-to-wall back leaves no hiding spots for pesky dirt or germs. This cleaver design keeps the unsightly cistern out of sight, maintaining a clean, streamlined look. Thanks to the quick-release soft-close seat, there'll be no more midnight slams or trapped fingers, just gentle, quiet closure every time. Take advantage of this fantastic addition to your bathroom. Upgrade to the RAK Tonique back-to-wall toilet today and experience the perfect combination of style, hygiene, and comfort. Discover this and the rest of the RAK Ceramics bathroom suites range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.